Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Yeah, that's my brakes. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I looked the other day and realized that I have 15 subscribers. I wanted to take a moment and first say thank you to all of you who have become my subscriber. I hope you enjoy the content that I've been sparingly putting out, and I hope that you enjoy the content that I'm going to be putting out. Sorry, please excuse me, I'm a little sick right now. I've been doing a lot of traveling the last couple weeks. Next Friday, my registration expires for my car, so one of the things that I wanted to do is a video on how to remove tint. I've done it once for this entire car. I'm only going to do the front windows this time because it is a pain. However, it's the difference between spending $120 for someone else to do it for you or spending $10 to $15 on going to the hardware store and getting the supplies you need for it. Today I'm heading down to my family's lake house where my stock suspension is stored for this car. Now here's a picture I took just before I got in the car today. That's how it looks right now. Yes, it's very dirty. Like I said, I've been doing a lot of traveling recently. As soon as I get home and am able to, I'm gonna wash my baby. But for now, that's how she looks. But so this week, I wanted to make a video on how to install your stock suspension back on your car after maybe you lowered it with lowering springs. Actually, I think if I had lowering springs, I probably wouldn't touch it, but these coilovers, they've been on for about 75,000 miles almost, maybe about 70,000 miles, and I'm kind of tired of just bumping around, so I'd like to see how the stock suspension feels. Eventually, I want to put air suspension on this bad girl, but for now I think I'm gonna roll around stock for a little bit because I have the KO4 and it's quick. Need to get gas real quick. Alright, sorry about that, my GoPro died. Please excuse the mess that's behind me as well. Like I said, I've been traveling all over the place recently. But yeah, so I really wanted to make a I really wanted to do this stuff myself, remove the window tint, switch back to my stock suspension, mainly because I am just tired of paying shops outrageous amounts of money to do these things for me. So hopefully you and I both learned something. I really want to improve my videography skills. I think that would be the right word for that. Yeah, so some of my future plans for my car, obviously I want to get the stock suspension back on for now. I need some new tires because I still have winter tires on and it's May, which don't go well. Summer or all-season tires are a little stickier than winter tires. Winter tires do really, really well in the snow. The amount of grip I had in the snow with the tires I have on right now, I think they're Michelin Ice X tires. The amount of control I had in the snow with these tires was much greater than how they feel right now, driving in dry 74-degree weather. So, get new tires, maybe new wheels. I would really like a pair of or a set of stock Volkswagen GTI wheels or something like that. I think 18-inch wheels look a lot better with stock suspension than your standard 17-inch wheels, which is what I have on right now. A lot of newer cars have a lot of USB ports, and Apple CarPlay has become really prevalent in new cars today. So what I would like to do is put some USB ports right down here and replace this with a Apple CarPlay head unit. Just get it going right there. I know it's dirty. I'm sorry. I need to clean my car really bad. Well, I made it. This is our nice little lake house. The lawn probably needs to be mowed. I made it. Don't worry, my suspension's not in here. It's in the shed outside. But I just needed to come in here and grab the shed key. Just a bunch of spiders. No me gusta. So, I have my stock suspension loaded up in my trunk. I'm going to head back because that's really all I came here for. It's really humid in here. We have a AC, but it's not really hooked up right now. And all of the plumbing is secured for the winter, winterized essentially. So, not much for me to do here now. Time to head back. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Plan on having this uploaded tonight. Still gotta go to the gym. Still have to run today. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Man, this guy really wants to get in front of me for some reason. Sorry, buddy. You're in a Kia Sorento. That's a no-no. This is a big turbo.
have heard of me.